Okay. So in yesterday's class, we have discussed introduction to trigonometry. And some important trigonometric functions, that is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and co-trigonometric functions, cosec, sec, and cot. So after this, important ratios. Sin theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse, and cos theta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent. And the reciprocal of sin is cosec theta. Ratios of cosec theta, hypotenuse upon opposite, and reciprocal of cos is sec theta, and the ratios hypotenuse upon adjacent. Reciprocal of tan, cot theta, and the ratios adjacent upon opposite. Okay. Along with this, even we have learned some important relations also. Sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Correct? Cos theta 1 upon sec theta. Sec theta 1 upon cos theta. Cosec theta 1 upon sin theta. Tan theta 1 upon cot theta. Cot theta 1 upon tan theta. And tan theta we can express in the form of sin and cos. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. And cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Okay? And even we have discussed the problems also. In which number? 8-1. Finish? Any doubts in 8-1? No doubts. Okay. So 9th one we can take now. In a triangle ABC, right angle at B, well, come here. Come right. Last 3 rows. Get up. Make one column up. Come and sit here. Come and sit here. Yes, question number 9. Question number 9. In a triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A is equal to 1 upon root 3, find the value of sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. In a triangle ABC, so let us draw one triangle. Triangle ABC, A, B, C. And this is right angled at B. Right angled at B. Here it is right angled. Tan A is equal to 1 upon root 3. What is given? Tan A is equal to 1 upon root 3. And asked to calculate first one, sin A into cos C. Sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. Cos A into sin C. And second one, cos A into cos C, cos A into cos C plus, minus sin A into sin C. See, sin ratio you know, opposite upon hypotenuse. Cos adjacent upon hypotenuse. But hypotenuse side is not given in the triangle, correct? Only tan function is given. Tan means opposite upon adjacent. Tan opposite upon adjacent. Tan A, it means that angle formed at A, theta formed at A. Here it is angle formed, and this side is a opposite, and this side is a adjacent, right? So tan A is equal to 1 upon root 3. Tan A, how can we define? Opposite upon adjacent. So this is your opposite side, and this is adjacent side. Using Pythagoras theorem, let us calculate a side AC. Side AC is nothing but hypotenuse. Okay, so in a triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, a square of hypotenuse, that is AC square, is equal to sum of squares of other two sides, that is AB square plus BC square. So AC is hypotenuse, that we don't know, right, as it is. So square of AC is equal to AB square under root 3 whole square plus BC square is 1 square. Square root get cancelled, is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. AC square is equal to 4, but AC is equal to 2. AC is 2 plus or minus 2, but we are considering only positive value because it is the length. So AC is 2. So now we can write sin A cos C and cos A sin C. First one, sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. See, angle formed at A, sin A. How to define sin? Sin is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. So which side is opposite side? BC is opposite side. So sin A is equal to 1 upon 2 into. See, second time, angle formed at C, theta formed at C. So how you define cos C? Adjacent is 1, not a root 3, because angle formed at C. If angle formed at A, AB become adjacent. If angle formed at C, BC become adjacent. So 1 upon 2, again it is 1 upon 2, opposite upon hypotenuse, adjacent upon hypotenuse, plus cos A, again angle formed here. Cos A is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Which side is adjacent? AB is adjacent. So root 3 upon 2 into sin C, angle formed here, and this side is opposite. Angle formed here, this side is opposite. AB upon AC, opposite upon hypotenuse. Yeah, root 3 upon 2. 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2, 4. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 2 2 4. So denominators are same. Can add 3 plus 1, 4 upon 4. Get cancel. 1 is your answer. Understood? Yes, second one. Second one more is there. Second one, cos A into cos C. Cos A, theta formed at A. How to define cos? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. Root 3 upon 2. Am I right? Root 3 upon 2. Let me write first question. Cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. So cos A root 3 upon 2 and cos C. Cos C is here. Angle formed at C. Adjacent upon hypotenuse. So 1 upon 2 minus sin. How you define sin? Opposite upon hypotenuse. A, sin A. Angle formed here. This is opposite. 1 upon 2. And sin C. Root 3 upon 2. Angle formed here. Correct? Sorry, here. So this is opposite. So root 3 ones are root 3. Root 2s are 4. Minus root 3 ones are root 3. Root 2s are 4. Get cancelled. 0. First one is 1. Second one is 0. Check in answer sheet. No, no. Am I right? Right? Yes. finished? Okay, next question. Question number 10. Question number 10. In a triangle PQR, right angled at Q. PQR, right angled at Q. PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is 5 centimeter. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. So let us draw them in triangle. And this triangle is right angled at Q. This is P, this is Q and this is R. So what is given? Given in the question, PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. Where is PR? See, PR is hypotenuse, correct? And QR is adjacent. Hypotenuse plus adjacent is 25 centimeter. And PQ is 5 centimeter. Opposite is given. PQ is 5 centimeter. So height is given, that is 5 centimeter. Asked to calculate sin P, cos P and tan P. Sin P, cos P, tan P is equal to question mark. Is equal to question mark. Okay. Yes, how to calculate? Here only one side is given. That is PQ. Other two sides not given. But sum of other two sides is 25 centimeter. Correct? Yes, how to calculate? See. This one we can replace. How can replace? PR is equal to 25 minus QR. By given, we can imply that PR we can write in the form of QR. That is 25 minus QR. This left hand side QR moves to right hand side, become negative. Positive become negative. So now we can apply Pythagoras theorem. As all you know that the whole trigonometry is based on only the right angle triangle and Pythagoras theorem. Here one angle is 90 degree, that is Q. You can write here in a triangle PQR. In a triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Angle Q is equal to 90 degree. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angle triangle, a square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides, that is PQ square plus QR square. Am I right? Yes. Now, see, PR is nothing but what? 25 minus QR. It is by given. Reason is by given. So PR, I can write it as 25 minus QR whole square is equal to, PQ side is given in the question, that is 5 centimeter. So substitute the value, a square of 5 plus QR square, don't know, write as it is. Am I right? Yes. Now, see here. Yes, now, left hand side is in the form of A minus B whole square. What is the expansion of A minus B whole square? A square minus B square minus 2AB, correct? Yes or no? What is? But I said A square minus B square minus 2AB. A square 25 square plus B square minus 2 into A into B is equal to 5 square 25 plus QR square. Am I right? Am I right? Yes. Left hand side QR square, right hand side QR square get cancelled. So now square of 25 is 625. So 625 minus 25 2s are 50 QR is equal to 25. Constants one side and variables one side. 625 minus 25 is equal to 50 QR. 625 minus 25, 600 is equal to 50 QR. 0, 0 get cancelled. 5 1s are 5 12s are. So QR is equal to 12 centimeter. QR is equal to 12 centimeter. What is given? See, PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. One side is 12. QR is 12 centimeter. Then what about PR? What about PR? 25 minus 12, how much? 13 centimeter. So PR is 13 centimeter. So now we can write sin P, cos P and tan P. Sin P is equal to angle formed at P, theta formed at P. Sin P opposite upon hypotenuse, that is 12 upon 13. Cos P adjacent upon hypotenuse, 5 upon 13. Tan P opposite upon adjacent, that is 12 upon 5. Check in answer sheet. Am I right? Yes. Is finished? Okay. The next question number 11, last one. Justify whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. State whether the following true or false. Justify your answer is the question. First one. The value of tan A is always less than 1. You can see all the tan functions you can see. Here also we calculated tan. What is the value of tan? Tan P is equal to 12 upon 5. You see some other examples also. There also you can see tan function numerator is always greater than the denominator. Numerator is always greater than the denominator. It means that tan value is always greater than 1, not less than 1. If tan value is less than 1, then it is incorrect. It is not satisfying the condition. If you want to take the tan function, it is always a greater than 1. Not only this example, you can check some other examples also. Everywhere in a tan function, the numerator is greater than the denominator. You can check some previous examples. Girl, drink water. Am I right? Everywhere you can check. So tan, in a tan function, numerator is always greater than the denominator. Am I right? Yes. The value of tan A is always less than 1. Whether it is right or wrong, the statement is false. Because tan value is always greater than 1. Understood? Yes. Sec A is equal to 12 upon 5 for some value of angle A. You see in this example, cos you can see. Cos value and sine value is always less than 1. Sine value lies between 0 and 1. and cos value lies between 1 and 0. Cos value lies between 1 and 0. 0 and 1 and 1 and 0. It never become a greater than 1. It's always a less than 1. But reciprocal of that is always greater than 1. Am I right? Sec, here cos is there. Cos is 5 upon 30. Then what is sec? 13 upon 5. Numerator is greater than denominator. Here also same. Sec is 12 upon 5 for value of angle A. Yes, it's true. It's correct. It's true. Okay? So any doubts here? Are you understanding? Are you getting me? Boys? Yes. Then third one. Cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. No. Sine, cosine, cos, tangent, tan, cotangent, cot, cosecant, cosec. But here cosecant is the abbreviation used for cos, they said. No, it's wrong. Cos is the abbreviation used for which one? Cosine. Cos is the abbreviation used for cosine. So this one is false. Cot A is the product of cot and A. Yesterday only I explained this one. Here cot and A are not a products, not a multiplication. If you are writing only cot, then it is meaningless. You have to write function along with the angle. Then only it gives the some meaning. Function along with the angle. Whether it is a sine, cos, tan, whatever it is. So you have to write function along with angle. Then only it is a meaning. Okay? Yes. Sin theta is equal to 4 upon 3 for some angle theta. No, you can check all other sine functions. In all other sine functions, a numerator is always less than the denominator. Numerator is always less than the denominator because the value of sine lies between 0 and 1 and the value of cos lies between 1 and 0. In next chapter we will learn that. Next exercise only, not chapter, next exercise. Okay, yes, do you have any doubts in this exercise? Exercise number 8.1, do you have any doubts? Hope no doubts. Yes. Can you take next concept? No. Can you take next concept? Yes. Right side, trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Trigonometric ratios of some specific angles are standard angles. Some specific are standard angles. Tell me which angles are called standard angles? Any idea? Which angles are called standard angles? Huh? I am going to write few angles here. 0 degree, 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, 90 degree, so on. Okay? And I am calling these angles are these standard angles. Why these angles are standard angles? Any idea? Huh? Yes, any idea? You know how to draw the angles? Sana, you know how to draw the angles? For example, 70 degree angle I want to 70 degree angle I want to. How I will draw? First I will draw the one line, correct? And I will take the protractor and I keep on the 0 point, center point 0 point, then it is 0 degree, 10, 20, 30 like this, 70 degree, and I am joining this line. So this is what? 70 degree. But 70 degree I am not telling you as a standard angle, but these angles. 0 degree, 15 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60, 75, 90 are called standard angles. I said, why? Huh? These angles we can draw without the help of a protractor. Correct? Only using rounder. What you can call rounder, no? Compass. Yes, rounder or compass. With the help of compass or rounder, we can draw all these angles. Is it possible to draw all these angles with the help of compass? Is it possible? Yes or no? Yes. How to draw 30 degree? First you have to draw the one line segment. With the help of compass, we will draw the semicircle. Without disturbing the radius, we will draw the one arc. Correct? And we will join this and perpendicular bisector of this. I mean the half of this will get 30 degree. Again if you cut this, half of this will get 15 degree. Understood? So similarly, all angles, not only a 60 degree, not only a 15 degree, not only a 30 degree. All 60, 70, multiples of 15. Multiples of 15. 15 ones are 15, 2s are 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, whatever. So these angles you can draw without protractor. Without protractor. With the help of only ruler. Ruler means scale and a rounder. Ruler and rounder or compass. With the help of these two, we can draw all these angles. So these angles are called what? A standard angles. So here, few standard angles you can see and their values. So in this chapter, a main important concept, angles table, standard angle table. Here it is a function. We are writing a function. First one is sine, and here angles 0 degree. The next 30 degree, the next 45 degree, the next 60 degree, then the last one 90 degree. Only these angles are there in your syllabus. 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. And all the functions you can write. First one is sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. So sine 0, as I told you, sine angle always lies between 0 and 1. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 30, 1 by 2. Sine 45, 1 upon root 2. Sine 60, root 3 upon 2. Sine 90, 1. It's like this. 0. This is 0 degree. 30, 45, 60, 90. So the value lies between 0 to 1. When the angle increases, sine angle increases, then the value also increases. Sine 0 is the least value, correct? 0 degree is the least value. Then the value is also 0. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 30. Next list. Sine 30. Sine 45. Sine 60. Sine 90. At last it is 1. Okay. So now cos. Cos value lies between 1 and 0 I said. Cos lies between 1 and 0. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 30. Root 3 upon 2. Cos 45. 1 upon root 2. Cos 60. 1 upon 2. Cos 90. 0. So cos value lies between 1 and 0. Sine 0 and 1. Now tan. Tan already we know. Tan theta, how can we express in the form of sine and cos? Tan theta is equal to sine theta upon cos theta. Divide this. 0 upon 1. 0. 2 cancel. 1 upon root 3. Root 2 cancel. 1. 2 cancel. Root 3. 1 upon 0. Not defined. Infinity. Understood? So reciprocal of cosec is reciprocal of sine. 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0. Not defined. Infinity. 2 upon 1. 2. Root 2 upon 1. Root 2. 2 upon root 3. 1. Am I right? Sec, reciprocal of cos. 1 upon 1, 1. 2 upon root 3. Root 2. 2. Not defined. Infinity. Then cot is cosec upon sec is cot. Cosec upon sec is cot. R, reciprocal of tan. 1 upon 0. Not defined. Not defined. Root 3. 1. 1 upon root 3. 0. Okay? Let's note down. Is finished? See, proofs not necessary. How sine 0 is 0? How sine 45 is 1 upon root 2? Those proofs are not necessary here. Exam point of view, those proofs you don't want. Okay? Only you can add the values. Sine 0, 0. Sine 30, 1 upon 2. Sine 45, 1 upon root 2. Sine 60, root 3 upon 2. Sine 90, 1. If you know these values, easily you can write all other values. Okay? Yes, any doubts here? Yeah. So now we can take exercise number 8.2. Next exercise, exercise number 8.2. For few examples, I will give this table as it is. Today you can write all the values and come tomorrow. Without this table, you can solve the exam. Okay? Yeah. Exercise number 8.2. First main, evaluate the following. First one, sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree into cos 60 degree. Into cos 60 degree. Yes, here. Stop writing. Simple example. Sine 60 degrees. Root 3 upon 2. Without looking at this table, you can tell. And cos 30, again root 3 upon 2. Because sin 30 is equal to cos 60. Am I right? Sin 30 and cos 60 values are same. And sin 60 is equal to cos 30. Sin 60 and cos 30 values are same. So sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. Cos 30 is also root 3 upon 2. Plus sin 30 is 1 upon 2. Cos 60 is 1 upon 2. ಯಾರು ಬಂದ್ರ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸುಟ್ಟಿ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು root 3 into root 3 3 to 2s are 4 1 1s are 1 to 2s are 4 so denominators are same 3 plus 1 1s are 1 ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ಈಗ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ SSLC ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಈಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಊಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್, ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ರಿ, ಊಟ ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ ಬರ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಈಗ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಯ್ತು ಬರ್ರಿ ಸರ್. ಹೌದಾ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್, ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. Second one you can try. ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಹೇಳೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನೋ ಊರು ಬಂದಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಊರು ಬಂದಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ. ನೀ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ನೀ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳೋದಂಗ ನೀವು ಈಗ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನೋ ಬಂದಾಗ ಊರ ಸರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್ ವಿಚಾರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರಿ ಯಾರು ಬಂದು ನೀವು ಏನು ಹೇಳೋಕೋಬೇಡ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನೀಡಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ 4 ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಈಗ ನೀನಲ್ಲ. ಸರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳತ್ತ. Is finished? Okay, second one you can take. Second one. Two times tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. I think 14 chapters are there in your syllabus, right? 14 or 15? This time 14. Last time it was 15. Construction chapter deleted, I think maybe. So except construction chapter, 14 chapters are there. So among all these 14 chapters, which is the easiest chapter? Huh? Which one? Probability. Who told probability is the easiest chapter? Hope you feel probability is the easiest chapter, right? Yes. What about others? Polynomials. Trigonometry is the easiest chapter. Nothing is there. Simply addition, subtraction. That's it. If you know all the values and all, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. Simple one. See, 2 into tan 45 is 1. So 1 square. Plus cos 30 root 3 upon 2 whole square. Minus sin 60. Again root 3 upon 2 whole square. Plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3 upon 2 get cancelled. 2 into 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1. 2 under 2. 2 is the answer. How many of you got this answer? Almost all. See, you also got it, but only it is difficult. Is finished? Yes, third example we can take. Third example. Otherwise, third one homework. Okay? Fourth one we can take. Third one homework. Fourth example we can take. Third one is very simple one that you can solve at home. So fourth one, sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree plus cot 45 degree. Okay, let's see. Solution: sin 30 degree. What is the value of sin 30? 1 upon 4. Tan 45 1. Cosec 60 2 upon root 3. Sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. Cosec is 2 upon root 3. Whole divided by sec 30 same 2 upon root 3. Cosec 60 and sec 30 are same 2 upon root 3 plus cos 60 1 upon plus cot 45 1. Am I right? Yes. Now you can take LCM in numerator denominator. LCM is 2 root 3. Here it is 1. 2 ones are 2, root 3 is there. So 2 root 3 is a LCM. 2 how much are 2 root 3? 2 root 3 is a 2 root 3. Here 1 is there. 1, 2 root 3 is a 2 root 3. And root 3 is there. So we need to multiply with 2. So write this. Root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4. 2 is a 4. Whole divided by. So again LCM is 2 root 3. LCM is 2 root 3. So here root 3 is there, multiply with 2. 2 is there, multiply with the root 3. Only 1 is there, multiply with 2 root 3. 2 2s are 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root. This 2 root 3 get cancelled. 2 root 3, 1 root 3. 3 root 3. 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 2 root 3, 1 root 3. 3 root 3 plus 4. If you stop here itself also you will get the full marks. Understood? If you continue this one, see, because denominator is having an irrational number. So we have to convert that irrational number into rational. What to do? Rationalizing the denominator. So what is the rationalizing factor of 3 root 3 plus 4? 3 root 3 minus 4. So multiply 3 root 3 minus 4 to both numerator and denominator. 3 root 3 minus 4. So now numerator is 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square. Numerator 3 root 3 minus 4 into 3 root 3 minus 4. 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square. And denominator 3 root 3 plus 4, 3 root 3 minus 4. A plus b into a minus b. So the expansion a square minus b square. Am I right? Numerator is a minus b whole square expansion. A minus b whole square expansion. A square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. 2 into a into b divided by 3 square is 9. Root 3 square root get cancelled. 27. 27 minus 4 square is 16. 27 minus 16 11. Do put 11. Yes, 11. Root 3 27 plus 4 square 16 minus 2 4s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 3 2s are 6 4s are 24. Root 3. 27 plus 16. 33 or 43? Huh? 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. Check in answers. Not there? Same it is there? Yes, no. Is anybody good here? Your class. Oh, Aditya Gudke, I think Green Finger School Accluse, right? One of the student texted here, sir, you changed your hairstyle, so that's what I said. Anybody Aditya Gudke in this? Old student. It's not a. Tomorrow you can submit your fair books. Huh? Only girls, boys, they have tomorrow. Tomorrow girls will submit. Tomorrow girls will fair books. Yeah, tomorrow all boys can submit your fair books. So every day there will be a mathematics class. So you have to bring math at school and math up every day. In this 10-15 days only I will finish 50% of the syllabus of second year. Only 1 or 2 chapters remain. That I will finish in the month of November. Anjal not there, yesterday was not there. Huh? Came. Ganesh not there yesterday. Huh? Few of the girls not attending the class. What's her name? Class A, Neha Uriya, right? Where is she? Not attending. Why? Yes, the second one, sorry, third one, right? Third one homework. And fifth one also. Fifth one can sign your home. Okay? Yes. So I will end the session here only. Again tomorrow we will continue. Okay. Girls, tomorrow you can do your fair books.